In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Meant to Live by Switchfoot off of their album, The Beautiful Letdown. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Meant to Live was your favorite alt rock song of the 2000s. And let's dive in. This song's gonna be in drop D tuning, so make sure you tune your low E string down to a D. The intro to the song will start like this. So if we break that part down slowly, what we're doing, starting 2nd fret, 5th string, 3 hits. Then what we do is we come up here to 4th fret of the 4th string, and also we're gonna hit the open 3rd string. So it sounds like that, and then what we'll do is bend the 4th fret of the 3rd, the 4th fret of the 4th, up to sound like that, and then back down. So we have, okay, and then we'll hit open, the open A string, that same bend, and then we'll play this drop D power chord on the 2nd fret, starting on the 6th string, and then the same bend, and then we'll play, so that's 5th fret, 6th string, drop D power chord, and then the 7th fret. So altogether, that intro, slowly, is this. And make note that there's a call and response going on in that intro. So the first guitar plays this, and then the second guitar comes in and plays this. Okay, first guitar comes back in here, plays the bend, and then plays that chord. Second guitar comes in, and then together they join up here and go. Okay, so pay attention to the record and understand which guitar is playing what. From here, we kick into the main riff of the song, which is essentially the same part. We're just using all chords now instead of individual notes. So instead of hitting that individual note and going into the bend, what we'll do is we'll play the chord. Okay, so that's 2nd fret, 5th string power chord. Then we hit the bend. Okay, and then we go, instead of hitting just the open 5th string, we'll play the A power chord. And then that bend, then the 2nd fret power chord. And that bend again. Okay, so we have at this point, going into the verse, we'll play this. So it's just 4th fret going to 5th fret. And then we let the 5th fret ring out. We'll also play this lead riff on top of the main riff the last time through. So the last time through, we'll play this lead riff, sounds like this. So all that is, it's just single note picking, 4th fret, 4th string, bend and release, 2nd fret, open, 4th fret, open, then 4th fret of the 5th string, open 5th string, then 7th fret of the 6th string, which sounds like that open string, and then we'll bend it a full step. So slow one more time. So we're officially into the verse, and we're letting the 5th fret power chord ring out. Okay, there's a vocal only part going on here. And then we'll pick up doing this. Okay, so that's just drop D power chords. 4 open, 2 open, 4 open, 4, 5, 4, and then 4 open, 2 open, 4 open, 4, 5, 7, and then let the 5th fret ring out again. So altogether that's and then we're letting this ring out again for that second half of the verse, and then we'll repeat that part. And then at this point, we enter the chorus. The chorus will sound like this. So let's break that chorus part down. So we have this 5th fret power chord first. We're going to hit it 3 times. And then we're going to hit the harmonics 4 times. So by harmonics, I mean we're just going to rest the finger on the strings, specifically here the 6th string of the 5th fret, right where the fret is. And when you hit that, you should hear it ring out. Okay, so we go. And then we slide up to the 7th fret. And we'll hit the harmonics here. Now, on this fret, we're focusing on the 4th string, the D string. You should hear that ring out. So we have, okay, and then up to the 9th fret. Focus on the D string here on the harmonics. Okay, then we hit open, 2nd fret 3 times, and then back to that bend. Okay, and from here, 5th fret, harmonics, open 2nd fret, bend, 5th fret again, harmonics, open 2nd fret, and then we go 2nd, open, open, and then we repeat. So all together, the chorus part slow. And then we repeat. Now one thing I'll point out is in the intro and in the opening riff, we're playing the bend like this. Right? So at the beginning we're doing. Here in the chorus, we're just sort of bending it up and then letting it release. So you just bend it up and release. So it's a subtle difference, but it is different. So pay attention to that. Coming out of the chorus, so we're here. From here, we go back into that verse riff. And then we're into the second verse. At this point, we'll play a second verse and a second chorus exactly the same as the first. Coming out of that second chorus, so we're playing this in the chorus. Now at this point, what we'll do is we'll just hit 4 string swipes. And coming out of the second chorus, we go back into the main riff. So we go back into this. Okay, and we'll repeat it. Okay, so that's how we'll enter the breakdown. 4th fret, and then open fret. We'll also play that lead intro riff on top of that again. So that lead intro riff comes back here. And now we're into the breakdown. The breakdown guitar is going to sound like this. So this is an acoustic guitar that's playing this, but you can use a clean electric, that'll be fine. Really all we're doing is playing the open D string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And then we add the pinky, 5th fret on the D string. And we just alternate between them. That's really all the guitar is doing there. There's a lot of feedback and other instrumentation going on, but that's really all the guitar does. And after that acoustic part, we'll kick back in with the distortion, and the distortion will kick back in with this. So that's just 3rd fret, 5th string power chord, straight 8th notes with the right hand. And then we go to this 5th fret, drop D power chord. I include the pinky here on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. And then we enter the last outro part of the song. So the outro of this song will go like this. So there'll be 2 different guitars playing here. One guitar will be doing this. So it's just 12th fret, 1 hit, and then open. It just keeps alternating like that. And then the other guitar will be playing the open power chord, and then it will be playing these unison bends. So it'll go. Then it comes up to this one. Okay, so those unison bends, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 3rd string. We bend the 5th fret of the 3rd string up to sound like the 3rd fret of the 2nd. Same thing here, 7th fret, 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd. And we'll alternate between them. And then the last unison bend will be up here, 15th fret, 2nd string, 17th fret, 3rd string. And the very end of the song will be that main riff one more time. Was Meant to Live the best Switchfoot song? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.